Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. My name is Michelle. This is My Meaningful Life. And today I'm going to make for you some beautiful recipes. I'm going to make some breakfast avocado bagel toast that has some smoked salmon on top. This was absolutely delicious and I would recommend this 100%. I went ahead and I toasted up an everything bagel, and then I cut up a avocado and I put it into a bowl and mashed it up with some hot sauce. You can do avocado toast any way you like. You can just do some vegetables on it. You can just make it regular avocado. You don't even have to put the hot sauce in here. You know me, guys. I love hot sauce. You can do just about anything. Be creative with the avocado toast. I'm just going to mash this up and make sure that it is mashed to my liking. And I'm going to put it on the toast, or in this case, the bagel. You could also put this in a blender if you want to, if you like it really, really smooth. I like it with little chunks in it just to give it a little bit more flavor and texture. So I'm going to grab a plate and grab the everything bagel. And I'm going to add the avocado mixture that I just mixed up. And I'm going to put it on the bagel. Next, I'm going to grab some smoked salmon and I'm going to take it out of the bag and I'm going to put it onto the bagel into different slices. So I just kind of layered it on, and this turned out super, super delicious. If you like smoked salmon, like avocados, this will be a dream. Here is the finished product. Next, we're going to go get our coffee. Y'all know I have coffee every morning. I put a little bit too much, but to each its own. I put 3 tablespoons of instant coffee in this cup. And then I put 4 tablespoons of creamer. And you don't see it here, but I did eventually add 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. And I add the ingredients first before I add the water because it makes it a little frothy without having to use a frother. I mix around the mixture because it helps it incorporate when I add the water. Okay, there's our beautiful coffee. This was an absolutely beautiful, beautiful breakfast. The next thing I'm going to make is my Mediterranean salad pita pockets. I cooked the chicken in the crock pots just because I wanted to cook a little bit more chicken than usual. So I'm just going to cut up some vegetables and I will get back with you. I'm going to cut up some bell peppers and some carrots, tomato, and some onion. And I'm going to add it to the crock pot with some chicken. And then I'm going to put it on a high for about 4 hours or on low for To make the pita pockets, I'm going to take spinach and cut up finely, and then I'm going to add to little containers chickpeas, some tomatoes, some onion, some avocado, some Kalamata olives, and some Greek yogurt. I'm going to make 2 meal prep containers with these ingredients, and when the time is right, I'm going to take the meal prep container and I'm going to open it up and open up the pita pocket that I will be taking along with it, and put the ingredients into the pita pocket. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there during these perilous times. Remember to show grace and mercy. Forgive one another. In the description box below, you will find the links to the recipes. Just click the link and it will either take you to my drive where you can download it, or it will take you to the website where I found the recipe. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment down below. I always love hearing your comments. Hit subscribe and the bell icon down below to be notified anytime I upload new content. My name is Michelle. This is My Meaningful Life. Have a great day.